Hello friends, this is Swapnil Mishra from Yours Only Pharma Tutor, and today I am going to discuss about important drugs used in pregnancy, both safe and contraindicated. This video is going to be very important, so watch this till the end. Let's begin the discussion. First category is anti-malarial drugs. प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस में हम आर्टीमीटर, आर्टीसोनेट और प्राइमाक्विन जैसे एंटी मलेरियल ड्रग्स नहीं देते हैं. दीज आर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड, बट वी कैन यूज़ क्लोरोक्विन, mefloquine and proguanil. They are safe for use. In first trimester, we can also use quinine, but remember only in first trimester we will use quinine for malaria treatment, and we can also give pyrimethamine and sulfadoxine combination, that is one single dose for malaria treatment. Next is anthelmintic drugs. Anthelmintic drugs में albendazole, mebendazole, ivermectin, पायरेंटेल पामोएट, डाईइथाइल कार्बामाजीन जैसे ड्रग्स कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड होते हैं इन प्रेगनेंसी, बट वी कैन यूज़ पाइप्राजीन, निक्लोसामाइड एंड प्राजिक्वेंटल फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स. These are safe for use. Next category is antiretroviral drugs used for the treatment of HIV/AIDS. HIV/AIDS suffering pregnant women को हम डिडानोसिन, अबाकाविर, इंडीनाविर, रिटोनाविर, इफाविरेंस जैसे ड्रग्स नहीं देते हैं. दीज आर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड इन प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस, बट वी कैन यूज़ जीडोवुडीन, लामीवुडीन, नेविरापीन, नेल्फिनावीर एंड सक्विनाविर फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस. नेक्स्ट इज़ एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव्स. प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस जो कि हाइपरटेंशन से सफ़र कर रही हैं, हम उन्हें एसी इनिबिटर्स, एंजियोटेंसिन एंटागोनिस्ट, थायाजाइड डायूरेटिक्स और फ्यूरोसमाइड प्रोपेनोलॉल एंड नाइट्रोप्यूरोसाइड जैसे ड्रग्स प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं करते हैं, एज दीज आर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स, बट वी कैन यूज़ मेथिलडोपा, हाइड्रालाजीन, अटिनोलॉल, मेटोप्रोलॉल, पिंडोलॉल, निफिडिपीन, प्राजोसिन एंड क्लोनिडीन फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स, एज दीज आर सेफ फॉर यूज़. Next is anti-diabetics. Pregnant mothers suffering from diabetes are not given sulfonylureas, metformin, pioglitazone, ripaglinide, natiglinide and acarbose, as these are contraindicated for them. But we can use insulin for diabetes treatment. We will use preferably human insulin for pregnant mothers. नेक्स्ट इज़ एंटी थायराइड ड्रग्स. प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस जिन्हें थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम उन्हें कार्बिमाजोल, रेडियो एक्टिव आयोडीन और आयोडाइड जैसे ड्रग्स प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं करते हैं, एज दीज आर नॉट सेफ फॉर देम, बट वी कैन यूज़ प्रोपाइल थायोयूरासिल फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वेमेन थायराइड प्रॉब्लम ट्रीटमेंट. एंटी साइकोटिक. These are used to treat psychotic disorders like schizophrenia. प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस जिन्हें साइकोटिक डिसऑर्डर्स की प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम उन्हें क्लोरप्रोमाजीन, फ्लूफेनाजीन, क्लोजापीन, ओलेंजापीन, रिस्पेरिडोन जैसे एंटीसाइकोटिक ड्रग्स प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं करते हैं, एज दीज आर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वेमेंस, बट वी कैन यूज़ हैलोपेरिडोल एंड ट्राइफ्लूपेराजीन for pregnant women psychotic treatments. Antidepressants, which are used to treat depression. Pregnant women में हम trimipramine, sertraline, paroxetine, citalopram, trazodone, venlafaxine, moclobemide जैसे antidepressant drugs prescribe नहीं करते हैं, as these are contraindicated, but we can use amitriptyline, imipramine and fluoxetine for pregnant women's depression treatment. Anticoagulants such as warfarin, esinocamarol, phenydione are contraindicated in pregnant women, but we can use unfractionated heparin and low molecular weight heparin for pregnant women, as these are safe for use. Cold cough remedies. Cold and cough is a very common problem, but in pregnant women we don't use codeine, dextromethorphan, bromhexine and expectorants for the treatment of cold and cough, as these are contraindicated, but we can use silometazoline, oxymetazoline nasal drops and budesonide for cold and cough treatment. Anti-asthmatic. Pregnant women suffering from asthma are not prescribed drugs like theophylline, ketotifen, montelukast, zafirlukast, and systemic corticosteroids as these are contraindicated, but we can use drugs like salbutamol, salmeterol, ipratropium bromide, beclomethasone, or inhaled budesonide and sodium chromoglycate as these are safe for them. Drugs for peptic ulcer and gastroesophageal reflux disorder. We can't use drugs like cimetidine, lansoprazole, cisapride, and mosapride in pregnant women as these are contraindicated, but we can use ranitidine, famotidine, omeprazole, pantoprazole for pregnant women ulcer treatment. Antitubercular drugs used for the treatment of TB, tuberculosis. In pregnant women, for TB treatment, we don't prescribe pyrazinamide, streptomycin as these are contraindicated, but we can use other alternatives like isoniazid, rifampicin, and ethambutol for treatment of TB. Anti-allergics. Drugs like cetirizine, loratadine, fexofenadine, and estimizole are contraindicated in pregnant women, but drugs like chlorpheniramine, promethazine are safe for their use. Analgesics. In pregnant women, drugs like aspirin, metamizole, NSAIDs, COX-2 inhibitors, codeine, dextropropoxifen, morphine, pethidine, tramadol are contraindicated, but we can use paracetamol and ibuprofen in low dose for pregnant women. Laxatives used for the treatment of constipation. In pregnant women, we don't prescribe Senna, Bisacodil, docusades, and saline purgatives as these are contraindicated, but we can give them dietary fibers, isabgol, and lactulose as they are safe for pregnancy. Antiemetics. These are used to treat motion sickness and vomiting. But in pregnant women, we don't prescribe drugs like domperidone and ondansetron. But we can give another alternatives like promethazine, doxylamine, dicyclomine, prochlorperazine, and metoclopramide as they are safe for use during pregnancy. So that's all about today's video. You can share your doubts and suggestions in comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from Pharma Tutor.